When I concentrate my beliefs, it can look like the sun in a magnifying glass. My feelings will get rid of anything that stands in the way of what I want. A man with logic immediately becomes an enemy to someone who doesn't have any logic. He must see the war coming and accept it. We have to know our vices before we could know our virtue. In order to get pleasure, we must go through pain. A man would rather see his woman die than cheat on him with anyone. My thinking is not what caused me pain. My pain was caused by the way other people think. Imitating is as natural as breathing. People usually try to like the people they admire. If you imitate the actions of other people, you may end up failing. It happened to me. A dangerous person isn't the one who has no regrets. It's the one who was too embarrassed to live their life. Nature has two voices. One of the voices condemns, while the other one commands. I think if God really existed, the world wouldn't be as evil. If evil does rule, it was at God's hands, or He couldn't prevent it from happening. I don't find myself being afraid of a God who is vengeful or weak. I have no trouble going against Him. I don't care about His punishment. I have justified my actions with logical reasoning. I never worried about my doubts. I have hardened my heart of anything that got in the way of me getting what I wanted. Cruelty shouldn't be considered a vice. It is the first thing we are taught in life. Joy loses something when other people feel the same way. It's crazy to be afraid of people who don't have any self control. Do you think your beliefs are more valuable than mine because they are different from each other? Are you so insecure because my evilness outweighs your goodness? If the punishment doesn't redeem you, it will make you worse than you were before the crime. Destruction, hence like creation, is one of nature's mandates. To judge from the notions expounded by the theologians, one must conclude that God created most men simply with a view to crowding hell. Sexual pleasure is a passion to which all others are subordinates, but in which they all unite. It is the dirty element that gives pleasure to the act of lust. Then the dirtier it is, the more pleasurable it is bound to be. Let us give ourselves indiscriminately to everything our passions suggest, and we will always be happy. Certain souls may seem harsh to others, but it is just a way, be known only to them, of caring and feeling more deeply. Love is stronger than pride. The man who alters his way of thinking to suit others is a fool. The only way to a woman's heart is along the path of torment. I know none other is sure. There is no God. Nature sufficed unto herself. In no wise have she need an author. When a woman desires sex, she always talk about her former lovers. Social order at the expense of liberty is hardly a bargain. The past encourages me, the present electrifies me, and I have little fear for the future. And my hope is that the rest of my life shall by far surpass the extravagances of my youth. Variety, multiplicity are the two most powerful vehicles of lust. Truth titillates the imagination far less than fiction. All universal moral principles are idle fancies. The law which attempts a man's life is impractical, unjust, and inadmissible. What we are doing here is only the image of what we would like to do. The state of a moral man is one of tranquility and peace. The state of an immoral man is one of perpetual unrest. Self interest lies behind all that men do, forming the important motive for all their actions. This rule has never deceived me. A little less vice is virtuousness in a very vicious heart. To lie is always a necessity for women. Above all, when they choose to deceive, falsehood becomes vital to them. The greatest pleasures are born of conquered repugnances. You will have no choice but to murder me or accept me for who I am, because I will never change who I am. We were blessed with kindness, so let's not waste it. on other people. It's not illegal to have crazy ideas in life. There are bad people everywhere. Luckily, there are good people who are around too. Evil is something that can't be taught. It was already inside of you. It will continue to exist even when the world no longer exists. I want my ideas to be considered. If you don't listen to all of them, at least listen to some of them. If you listen to some, I will felt accomplished and satisfied. If God was willing to destroy his own son, I can only imagine what he has in store for me. The only thing that can make you happy is something that excites you. The only thing that can excite you is crime. Do not have children. Nothing can be more disappointing than having a child. Pregnancy can be dangerous. It can ruin your body, change your attitude, and it's a dark cloud that destroys your relationship with your husband. A lot of celebrities are nothing more than idiots. You have to broaden your horizons to get what you want in this world. You have to give in your pleasures in order to get what you want. You may come across bad things, but something good will happen in the end. Lust can be described as ambition, pain, greed, and revenge. As long as laws are effective, try to be as discreet as possible. Strong opinions are why we have to be discreet. When we are in private, we can be as cruel as we want. Happiness is for the idealist. It takes a lot of imagination to be happy. You don't approve of the way I think. Do you think that bothers me? Only an idiot would worry about the way someone else thinks. Anyone who feels they have to change their opinions is a complete fool. Think of yourself and don't concern yourself with anyone else.